Hey girl, let's talk about something that has been a game changer for me, and it could be for you too. And that is, you guessed it, done for you digital products. Now, I know the online space can feel very loud, confusing, and let's be honest, very overwhelming. Especially if you are like a stay at home mom, a multitasking wife, or just a woman that is ready for change. But what if I told you that you could launch your own online business, start selling digital products, and do it all like peacefully in just 3 days? Just 3 days. I want you to stick with me for just a minute, okay? Because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. And I'm not holding anything back. Now let's talk about day one. Day one is not about the tech, okay? It's not about Canva or even the content. It's about this, the mindset and mapping out your actual path. And here's what I mean, okay? You need to get crystal clear on two things: who you want to help, what kind of soft life you want to build. And I'm going to be honest, okay? This can be very hard for a lot of women because when I ask this question, and even I have been asked this question too, we seem to sometimes not know what we want. So I need you to pick, I need you to sit down and figure out what it is that you want. What do you want to do? Okay. This is not about picking a niche and me telling you you need to pick this type of niche or this type of niche. This is not me telling you that. You know why? Because what I realize is that we're all people, right? And when you pick something that you love to do, all you have to do is put the content out there about what you like to do. And I promise you, there are people that like what you like. Okay. So that's how you find your community. So it's not about you just honing down on a niche, especially from the very beginning, because I think that's where a lot of confusion comes in at. But it's about putting out there what you love and magnetically having people to gravitate to you to say, hey, I like that too. Hey, I can identify with that. Hey, yeah, I want to get a little bit more closer to you. This is your season to profit with peace and not pressure. So, before anything else, I want you to write this down. Okay. How many hours do I want to work? What kind of product lights me up? Do I want to show my face or work behind the scenes? This day is about giving yourself permission to do it your way. Okay. That's what the soft life business is all about. It's about doing it your way. This is what I teach you here on my channel. Okay. I'm showing you how I do things my way. Okay. I created the MiniHER book method. That's mine because I like writing short books. I like taking my knowledge, my expertise, and I like AI helping me to flesh out ideas and writing and publishing books. Like, I love the fact that I am an author with multiple series and that people can visit my Amazon author page, and I have a load of books, knowledge, and I get to turn those books into digital products, into, courses and notes. I love my business. I love how I built it. I love that I get to dabble into digital marketing, learning digital marketing and getting engulfed into digital marketing. And as I'm learning digital marketing, I can take the digital marketing course that I learned from and resell it. I didn't have to create it. I can resell it. I love that. I love my business. I love what I get to do. So day number 2 is where it really gets exciting. Okay. So you don't need to create a product from scratch. Okay. You just need to Pick the right done for you product that aligns with your voice and your values. Okay. So I want you to think about ebooks, journals, planners, courses, templates. I personally love all done for you products, okay? But courses is where it's at, okay? These products really already exist. You just need to personalize them. You need to tweak the brand and add your name, maybe a few touches of your voice, and boom, your product is ready to sell. And that's what I love about Digital Profits You, because you already have the tools. You don't have to guess. You can just plug in and go. Okay. And plus, what I really love about Digital Profits You, to be honest, is that it's built in with a $500 plus digital product. Like, so it's not $100, $50, it's $500. So I make $500 every time someone purchases the Digital Profits You community, the course with me. So I get paid. So imagine what your bank account, okay, will look like when two people, let's say two people a day, purchase a $500 digital product from you every day, $1,000 days. Let's say you do that every day, $5,000 weeks, $20,000 months. Like, that's what I'm on. Okay. That's what I love. Now, we're on day number 3. It's time to set everything up and start selling. Of course, Digital Profits You made this very easy, but all you need is 3 simple things: a product page, a way to collect your payments like Stripe and PayPal, a link to share, okay? Because we don't gatekeep over here, all right? Most of my students set this up in one afternoon. It's not complicated because it's done for you. It's not a 20-step funnels. It's just a clear product with a clear checkout page. And that's the vision for a soft life income. Okay. And what's even easier, again, Digital Profits You gives you the pre-built funnel, the full sales system. Like, everything is done for you. Okay. You literally just have to personalize and launch. It's so easy. It takes so much weight off. It took, when I set mine up, I set my system up after I purchased Digital Profits You. I went in and I learned about digital marketing, which a lot of it I personally already knew because I've been in business for a long time. So a lot of things in the digital marketing course I knew, but there were some things I did not know. So once I consumed it, I was like, oh yeah. At the end, they was like, okay, if you want, you can build a business with this product. Absolutely. Okay, absolutely. And then as I got into Digital Profits You, we also have, we call the reseller gold mine, where it gives you what your daily tasks need to be every day to sell Digital Profits You. Like, it's so golden. I can only share with you what my excitement around it, and hopefully you get to see that how easy this can be. Like, that's what I'm on. I want ease, okay? I don't like struggling. Okay, I don't like struggling financially. I don't like struggling in my business. I don't like struggling with systems. No, I like it ease. And at the time of this recording, we are in the summer months, honey. Okay, and my kids want to go outside. So I need a business that works for me while I'm out living my life. I want you to know something, okay? You're not late. Okay, you're not behind. You're right on time. The peace, the profit, and the purpose that you are craving, it's not on the other side of hustle, okay? It's on the other side of a decision, okay? You don't need more time. You need clarity. And today, you just got it. Hopefully you just got it. Okay, like, you're excited. Okay, I get it. I got it. Let's go. If you're ready to build a peaceful, profitable business without hustle, I want to invite you to my live info call. It's a pressure-free space where I'll help you choose between Digital Profits You if you want to start, selling a done-for-you digital product, or Profitable Publishers Collective if books are calling your name. Okay. Either way, I want to meet you. Okay. I want to answer your questions. I want to be your guide. I'm here to guide you. So I want you to click the link in the description, and I want to see you on the next info call. I'm so excited about your future. I'm so excited about my own future. I'm so excited that we are in a time where we get to work from home. We get to homeschool our kids. We get to be in a place where we can live our life without the financial restraints. It is very possible, and it's very much possible to those that believe. So you have to believe. Okay. So until the next time, I hope to see you in the next video. If you love this video, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and leave me some emojis, leave me some heart emojis to let me know you're feeling me and you really, really enjoyed this video. And I want you to also hit that notification bell so when I upload another video, you will be the first to know. Okay. I cannot wait to see you at the info call so I can meet you and hug you virtually. Okay. See you then. Bye.